Are you spending too much time on tasks that could be automated? From answering customers' questions to organizing your team's workflows, small business owners are constantly juggling 1,000 different things. And that's where AI can be a true game changer. You don't need a massive budget or a tech team to start using smart tools that can save time, cut costs, and keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. Today, I'm going to be breaking down some affordable, easy to use AI tools that can take work off of your plate and help your business to scale smarter. Let's dive in. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Knett. I'm CEO and founder of iTernal Networks. And here at iTernal Networks, we believe in empowering businesses and individuals with the knowledge that they need to succeed. So every Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific, I go live on all of our socials to discuss different topics, ranging from different technology areas, cybersecurity, and AI, to help empower others. These live streams aim to help others to feel more confident in their knowledge of business technology and cybersecurity. At iTernal Networks, we're dedicated to creating safe and secure environments for businesses and people to do what they love. Staying educated on technology is a big part of that. At the end today, I'll make sure to leave time to answer questions from the audience. So if you have any questions related to what I'm talking about, or any technology or cybersecurity question in general, please post them in the comments. I will make sure to cover those at the end. That being said, let's get on to today's topic. AI can feel a lot like a buzzword. It's being talked about everywhere. But for small businesses, it's a lot more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful way to simplify daily operations and save time. Instead of manually answering emails, scheduling calls, or managing every piece of marketing yourself, AI tools can help to automate many of those workflows and handle the busy work for your team in the background. These tools act like virtual assistants or like interns, taking care of low-level tasks so that you can focus on strategy, growth, and on your clients. So let's break it down a little bit by different areas. And I'm going to be covering lots of different areas here where AI tools can assist. And I'm going to be suggesting a few tool names. This is by no means an endorsement of these tools. These are just examples of some of these type of tools and platforms that are out there. So I just want to be clear on that. And there's many tools. I'm not covering all of them. I'm just mentioning a few examples. So in customer support, you can get instant help without having to add more team members on your team through the use of various different AI tools. AI chatbots allow you to provide 24/7 responses to common customer questions. A couple of examples of these is ManyChat and Tidio. These can help customers schedule appointments, qualify leads, or even escalate issues to a real person if they're not able to answer questions or take care of things. The best part, they free up your team from repetitive questions so that your team can focus on the tough stuff, the stuff that it needs a human, right? That human interaction part. There's also smart email assistants like Zendesk AI or Freshdesk that automatically tag, prioritize, and even respond to support emails using AI that's been trained on your past conversations so that it sounds like you. So it's going to phrase that conversation the way that you would phrase it. Other tools can help with feedback. Cervicate and Qualaroo analyze customer responses and highlight trends so that you don't have to read every single survey reply and try to find those trends on your own. There's also AI-powered calls platforms like Dialpad AI or TalkDesk that use real-time sentiment analysis to route calls and to prioritize issues based on urgency. And we're seeing these type of features pop up in lots of different places. In fact, one of our clients recently set up in their call flow where it's got an AI recording that responds to the caller, and if it detects through the tone of their voice that maybe they're getting frustrated, it'll immediately forward it to their operator. so that the person doesn't get too upset. All right, now let's move on to scheduling a little bit. Scheduling can be one of the most challenging things to do and can take up a lot of time. There's many different platforms out there that can help with using AI to schedule and book meetings automatically. Two of them are Calendly or Reclaim.ai. They allow people to book meetings with you automatically, avoiding double bookings and optimizing your availability. You can even program it so that it will respond and automatically block out and add breaks to your calendar so that you don't burn out if too many appointments get scheduled back to back. If you'd like to allow your clients to book directly with you, there's many tools out there. Microsoft Booking is one of them. You don't need to go back and forth. You can allow them to select and schedule exactly what they need on your calendar automatically. If you're looking for something to help a little bit more with time management, not just scheduling, but time management, Trello or Time Hero use AI to help you to prioritize tasks and stay focused, and can put those on your calendar automatically. All right, let's shift now to marketing. Many people that I talk to are already using AI tools to help with their marketing. AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or even ChatGPT can help you to write emails, blog posts, and social media captions much faster. You give it the direction and it fills in the blanks. Then all you need to do is review it, make sure that it's accurate, and post it. Social media tools like Buffer or Later can suggest posting times, trending hashtags, and can automatically schedule your content that you provide to it based on what it deems is the most appropriate timing to release that material. Marketing automation tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp can personalize emails and website content for every visitor automatically. That can be really powerful. Analytics tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot now use AI to interpret your campaign data and suggest where to spend your time and budget for a better return on investment. No more guessing on those things. All right, let's talk now about finances. There's many platforms that are incorporating AI in the accounting systems. So QuickBooks Online and Xero are two of those that are now automatically categorizing expenses and helping to predict cash flow for your business. Invoicing tools like Wave and Zoho Books can create and send invoices for you. Plus, they'll even remind clients when a payment is overdue, gently. There's other forecasting tools like Float and Fathom that can give you a real-time look at your future cash flow based on your history and analytical data that AI can review. All right, let's talk a little bit now about team collaboration. There's workflow automation tools like Zapier or Make.com that can connect your apps so that things like customer signups, tasks, and follow-ups happen without you touching a button. Think about it. One thing triggers another thing and another thing and another thing, all automated with various different systems without you having to manually do anything. That can be extremely powerful as well. AI note-taking apps, I'm sure you've all seen them. Some people love them, some people hate them. Copilot, Otter.ai, Fireflies, Fathom, there's a whole bunch of them that do this. They automatically join your meetings for you. They record, they transcribe, take notes, and then summarize your meetings. There's a lot of powerful features that when used properly can really help you to get more out of those meetings. And on the off chance that you're not able to attend the meeting, you can go and review the summary afterwards and make sure that you're up to speed on what you missed. Project management platforms like Asana and Monday.com are using AI to recommend deadlines, assign tasks, and spot delays before they happen. And knowledge sharing tools like Notion.ai or Guru can help your team find answers faster. You can flag outdated information and keep your internal documents organized. And as I said at the beginning, these are just a few of the many, many, many types of applications out there that are using AI to help streamline and automate workflows and to improve small businesses' efficiency, to be more profitable, and to be able to focus on other things that are more important, like strategy. And you don't have to sort through this flood of AI tools on your own. your time is already stretched thin running a business. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to start using AI to save time and to boost efficiency, please come and join us on our next free AI briefing. We do these every Thursday, and in about 20 minutes, we walk through some practical tools that actually help. We'll talk a little bit about automating customer service, simplifying scheduling, and more. No fluff, no pressure. We just talk about some ideas that you could put into use right away. The link to register is in the chat and the video description below. We'll also have a link to the transcript for today's topic, and we'll link to a lot of the applications that we talked about as well if you're interested in looking into those a little bit more. That being said, let me see if there's any questions from our live audience here before I conclude. I don't see any questions from the audience. So thank you for joining us today. Those of you that are watching live, really appreciate it. Those of you that are watching this after the fact, thank you for taking your time as well. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions, comments, any thoughts you have. Your feedback does help us to create content that's valuable to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on additional content that we share. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to help you to navigate the world of technology and cybersecurity and AI. And if you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to me via direct message, or you can contact us through our website at itnet.works. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week.